Let's start by selecting an image to work with. Use the BG Remover tool to eliminate the background of the person in the image. Next, head to the Elements tab and choose a rounded square shape. Adjust its size and position to match the person in the image. Click on the color option and select a gradient color for the shape. Then, choose a style that layers colors from top to bottom. Move the person onto the top layer of the shape. Select both the person and the shape and adjust the corner rounding together. Choose the shape, duplicate it, click on the color option. Select the first color and slide the opacity slider to the left. Duplicate this layer once more. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was informative and useful for you. Thank you for watching.